Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can add an email address to your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure that you are in your Facebook page. If you don't know how to do this, you have to click on this profile image onto the top right, and then you have to click on this arrow icon here. It will bring up your profiles and pages, and you have to click on your page, and then you will be into your page. And then you have to click on your profile name here, and then you have to go into your about section. You have to scroll down until you find this option called edit public details. You will click on this one, then you will scroll down again, and then next to the details here you will see this edit option. You will click on this one, and now you are seeing my email address. So I will click on this pencil icon over here. So now I can change my email address from here, and if you don't have an email address you can add from here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.